1, 2, 3. Okay, today we're looking at a Zeiss Axial Plan 2 imaging microscope. This has got a Zeiss Plan Apochromat 1.4 NA. It's a 63 power objective and it's an oil immersion objective. So we're using our oil on the slide. As you can see, we have transmitted light set up. So the light's coming from the bottom, going through the condenser, and we have this on DIC, so we have a DIC prism in the condenser. We have a DIC prism above the objective. We've got a polarizing DIC prism, and we have an analyzer in the cube turret. So we have a polarizer, an analyzer that's giving us cross polarization, and here's our squamous cheek cell that we see on the screen. And so I'm just going to rotate our DIC prism and just to see the effect. We're going through a pseudo dark field right about here. And we can see some other details. And these details tend to come out at us on the slide, the 3D effect. Okay, that's it.